Find messy name and return correct name. Same product but has 3 different names in the invoices. We need to find its exact name in the database. Use the find name formula. This is the formula developed by SuperAddon 1.0. 2. You can download it in the video description. There are 2 types of results achieved. 1. White cells are exact results. 2. The red cells are the most matching results. You just need to check these red cells again. The more accurate results will be on the left, and decreasing on the right of the string. Next, we have to choose one result in each red cells. By extract text formula. All while cells is exact result, so that we don't need to extract them. Perfect. Now put the formula. If error, then return find name. Otherwise extract find name by delimiter, at position. Last one, we find product code quite easy. Thank for watching. SuperAddon for you more powerful with Office. You can find out it on Google or YouTube search. If you couldn't install or any trouble, then contact me to fix it.